Good morning, students. So now we have completed your unit 3. Today we are again starting your first unit, that is your Python. Okay, earlier I have posted some notes related on your pandas library. Okay, so we will continue here. I hope you have prepared the notes from that. Right now I'll take few lectures, that is practical ways, so that you won't feel any confusion, you won't have any confusion in any of the concept. Okay, so first thing that we have learned in your pandas is your series. Series is what? It is one dimensional data type with homogeneous data. Fine, students. So right now I am telling you how to create series using different things. Okay, first I am telling you, see, as I told you, whenever we are creating your program related to pandas, you are supposed to install panda. You are supposed to import panda in your program. The first line that you need to write in your program is import pandas, okay, as any name that you want to give. Here I am giving P. Fine, students. Now first thing we are learning over here is how we can create your series using ND array. ND array is what? ND array is a data type stored or created in your NumPy. NumPy is again one of the package in your Python. So for creating your NumPy array, ND array, we need to import your NumPy also as, let's say I'm writing here NP, you can use anything. Okay, fine. Now first we need to create one ND array so that we can create series using that array. Let's suppose I am taking the name A. Okay, A is equal to your np dot array, array. Okay, and now here I am giving one list of values. Okay, let's say A comma B comma X comma hello. Here I have created one list with 4 values, A, B, X and hello, and with these values I have created one array. Fine. Now we are supposed to create series with this array. Okay, so what we are going to write, let's say S1 is the name of our series, and P dot series we will write here series. Okay, and here we will pass your A. Okay, and now we will print this S1. Okay, now we will run this program. S must be capital. So you can see here what is written, A, B, X and hello. Now note down, आपके यहाँ पे 2 लाइन आई है, आप थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि ये 0, 1, 2, 3 कहाँ से आए. जब आपकी सीरीज़ क्रिएट होती है तो वो 2 चीज़ क्रिएट करती है, एक आपका जो वैल्यूज़ हैं और एक उनकी इंडेक्स पोजीशन. फाइन, show you. You can see here, these are your index position 0, 1, 2, 3, and A, B, X and hello are your values in it. Okay, I'll show you this using some boxes over here. Let's suppose if this is your series, okay, and you can divide your series. First value, fine, and this is your second value, this is your third value, and this is your fourth value. Now suppose this is containing A over here, this is containing B over here, this is containing X over here, and this one is containing hello over here. So these are the values, and with this you must be having the index position. By default your index position starts with 0, this will be 1, then this will be 2, then this will be 3. So like this one structure will be created, fine students, and this will be there. Okay, so this is how we can create. Okay, we can also change this index. Instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, we can give our own index. How to do that? You just simply need to do what? Here, when you are creating your series, you need to write down index equal to, okay, I must be capital, index equal to, here again you need to give one list. Let's say if you want to give 101, then 102, then 103 and 104. Now this time we have created this. Now if we'll run this, okay, there is some, okay, I must not be capital, this will be okay. See, you can see instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, we have given 101, 102, 103 and 104. So this is your program to create your series using ND array. Fine. Next time we will learn a few more ways to create your series. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.